option like this from Periea before. This is pretty exciting. It's a set of 4 assorted sizes bin and basket set. It's on a clearance price of $22.99 or 3 easy payments of $7.66. There are over 70 5-star reviews for this one. The cool thing is you're getting really kind of the best of both worlds here, which I think is a lot of fun. You're getting a medium bin, a large bin, and then 2 of the baskets, which are truly a basket. There's no lid, there's no zip. It's just really that great basket, but all 4 pieces coming home in your choice of these beautiful patterns and colors. So this one that you see right here is that metallic marble option. We also have this available in, this one is the Blush Birds. This is your gray. Here's your metallic butterfly. And those, yep, those are the options. Alrighty, so let's see, you're getting a larger bin, a small bin, and then 2 of the same size baskets with this one. Diana, this is how we make like all of the storage look very cohesive and very put together, right?
Yes, I love this. My daughter actually took this back to college because, you know, sometimes you just need a basket. There's things that you just need to grab and go, or where to put the shoes and things. So you have the basket, and then you've got these bins or boxes that we call them. And they come to you collapsed like this, so really great if you're not using them. They pop up super easy. So the basket just has 2 pieces of frame. You're just going to lift up on the edge there, push the frame to the edge. I love the basket for the trunk of the car for all the grocery bags and things, so they're not sliding all over the place. And then I can just leave it collapsed in there when I'm not, you know, grocery shopping. And then I can carry my groceries in with the handle. So instead of having like bags up and down my arm, I can just grab this, bring it in, flatten it down, put it back in my trunk.
I love that. That is literally like, you know, one of my pet peeves. I always have things rolling around in my car. I have, you know, my little kit that I use to scrape the ice off the windshield, which I just had to do yesterday, which I hate using. But then the little brush also falls around. And then I have my grocery bags that also seem to sort of get in the mix. And then you throw in my umbrellas. It's just like a party in the back seat of my car. And this is exactly what makes a lot of sense.
Perfect.
Right? Especially put your grocery bags in here, if like, so they don't roll around in the back. But that's one of like so many different ways that you go ahead and use this. I'm even thinking like right back here with our stairs. This is what you leave at the base of the stairs, so you don't have to keep running up and down the stairs. You're sort of top floor catch-all, if you will, right, Diana?
Yes,
just like the options are endless. I love that your daughter has these.
You could use these even for a laundry basket. I mean, it has all these beach towels in here. If you have a pool, this would be great to just set out when people come over, they can grab. Also a great place to, you know, have the shoes get kind of organized either at the front door where people come in, maybe through the garage or something. It's a nice way to just kind of keep the clutter, keep the shoes from being spread all over the place. And then of course you have our Periea bin here. So these also collapse, and you have that nice front window that opens. They stack, everything holds 44 pounds. So you can, you know, definitely load these up, but these are just wonderful for, you know, if you think of that area maybe above your hanging clothes where you stack sweaters and stack jeans or sweatshirts, and then, you know, 3 days later, it looks like a hurricane went through again. This gives you that organization and structure to get those kind of spaces in your house organized, but stay organized, because you can go in and pull a sweater out from the bottom of the pile, and all your sweaters aren't going to fall on top of your head.
Oh, I love that. No, definitely. We've all been there with the sweater avalanche or the denim avalanche. It always happens. But what's so wonderful is like when you put something like this in your home, you're so happy that you have that option, especially something as simple as all of the like athletic balls in here, like nice and easy to go ahead and have everything sort of have its own little place. $22.99 or 3 easy payments of $7.66 will bring home your medium bin, your large bin, and then the 2 baskets as well. I actually put one of the baskets over here with just some throw pillows in there, especially when you think about, like, you know, if you have the decorative pillows on the bed or the couch, like where do you put them when you actually want to like sit down on there? Well, you can go ahead and have something like this beautifully out in your living room, because Periea brings us gorgeous patterns like you're seeing here with that metallic marble, and the really nice way to go ahead and just have something you can put your, you know, storage things in with a lot of style too. So in addition to that metallic marble, we've got a few more on QVC.com that we're going to take you on a little journey with here. This one is your blush birds. We also have it available in the gray. There is your metallic butterfly, and those are your 4 options. I mean, first of all, I've presented many, many Periea items, but I've never seen a collection like this one where you're really checking off all of the boxes here and getting the best of both worlds. I think what's wonderful about the bins is that everything's remaining dust-free that you have in there, nice and protected, but sometimes you need something without a zipper and a lid. Insert the baskets here, right, Diana?
Exactly. For all those things that you need to kind of grab and go, the things that you're using on a daily basis, whether it's the throw blankets or the dog's leashes and that sort of thing, the pet toys. So it's nice to have both. That's why it's such a great collection that we have here for the shoes, for all those things. And I love these in those closets that have the wire shelving like you're seeing there, because like my linen closet has that. And every time you put something like a bottle of sunscreen or lotion down and you reach behind it, everything falls over. So at least when you have a basket or something, it's giving, you know, that hard bottom, it's giving some stability and keeping everything organized in there.
Yeah, absolutely love that. And there's just like literally, I could think of like a couple places in each one of my rooms of my home where this would just make so much sense, especially that linen closet. It can get out of control. Listen, put all of your board games in one of these. Dedicate one of these to like the dog leashes and toys. Maybe it's someplace for all of the scarves and mittens to go during this time of year. I mean, maybe it's, you know, maybe this is going in the mud room, or maybe, you know, lots of different cool, different ways that you're going to be able to not only decorate, but then of course get all that storage at the same time. With all 4 of these pieces, this is going to be something that everyone is going to enjoy, just having all of the options to put away all of that clutter. That's what makes me just feel a little like, oh, something's not right. There's too many things around. And then, yes, it just feels good to get a whole nice and organized and just get a hold of everything here. Especially if your closet is out of control, you're gonna find so many different cool ways to go ahead and organize just with ease. I mean, even if you wanted to take the baskets and just like put them up this way and fold your sweaters in here and stack them like this, right?
You could do t-shirts, you can do sweaters that way and kind of just keep them up there. I mean, these are great too, even just for that 5-minute pickup. You know, we had some people over for the game yesterday and I was like, oh boy, there's some things around my house. Like, and you just grab a basket or you grab one of the bins and it's like, okay.
Right.
And you just put this where no one can see it. So it's great for that, like, 5-minute pickup and, you know, just to get the clutter organized and, you know, make your home feel better, make you feel better.
Absolutely, definitely. Brian, how many have we had picked up here in the show? We've had over 150 orders picked up in the show, which makes me so happy because I think people are seeing this and being like, you know what? Yeah, that's really great. The fact that you've got 2 baskets and 2 of those ever so famous Periea bins here. I can tell you right here, this is the classic where you've got, you know, that front viewing panel, the side viewing panel, the handles, the double zip happening in the front of that front viewing panel, as well as the double zip happening on top, which gives us, you know, those 2 easy access to go ahead and get to what we need to. But as you were saying, Diana, we are all definitely, well, I have put my holiday decorations away. Most of us, I still have them up. A little sparkle happening around the house, but this is definitely that really great way to go ahead and keep those wonderful keepsakes nice and organized and nice and safe too, right?
Absolutely. You know, maybe you have like photo albums and things to put away. I do keep my daughter's keepsakes in a box like this, their baby book, their blankets, both my son and my daughter, and they each have a keepsake box. And then what a great box to maybe, you know, as the kids get launched and older, they've got, you know, things in their room like little trophies and this and that. You know, you can pack them away, give them their Periea box with their stuff eventually. And great, of course, for toys and stuffed animals. So I think everyone can use boxes and bins like this all around the house.
Oh, definitely. And you know, we don't have to overthink things. You know, I think that's what I think a lot of us want to like really have that designer, beautiful kind of home interior look and feel and touch. Well, you don't have to break the bank. Look how beautiful this looks in our shelf right here. We are in the age of possibility right here, people, and this is how anything is possible to go ahead and just take it to the next level. Nice and easy and simple. This is one of the 4 pieces that you're going to get with this collection, and this is precisely how you want to go ahead and keep those things nice and organized. Maybe it's your favorite books. Maybe it's the board games. Maybe it's those family photo albums that you just don't know where to put. Well, now you can have something really, really easy and easily accessible too. All 4 of these pieces coming home for this spectacular clearance price of $22.99 with 3 easy payments of $7.66. Always a really, really popular option here is this gorgeous metallic marble, which has those gorgeous kind of metallic accents in that gold. It's really, really pretty. Remember, you're getting 2 of the baskets and the large and the medium of these wonderful bins here that we know and love so much from Periea. 3 easy payments of $7.66 is wild. All right, so this one is your metallic marble. We also have some more available to you on QVC.com. This one is your blush birds. Here is the solid gray and the most popular of the show. And then your metallic butterfly. Over 250 orders placed in this show alone. Now you're gonna receive these all totally flat. So don't be deceived when you get that flat box in the mail, because with the ease of Periea, as Diana's been showing us, you simply just pop it right open and it is so secure. It's wild. I love these, Diana.
Thanks. Yeah, it is great. I mean, it's so nice because if you do use these for things like decorations and things, I love the handles. I keep all our holiday decorations in the basement, but carrying these up and down the stairs is so much easier with the handles. And then I just collapse them down and bring them back downstairs till we're ready to put everything away. So it's really nice for things like that. But then for like in the closet, for the clothes and things, I'm not popping these up and down. I just put them up there. And really, it makes you feel like you've done like almost like a custom closet above your hanging clothes. If you have the Periea boxes and your sweaters and your jeans and everything has a home, everything looks great, but it did not cost custom closet prices, but you're still getting that organization in your closet. So
yeah,
to stay organized.
It's so good, and it's so easy to organize with Periea because really they all just pop right open, and it's so simple. Once you get moving and grooving, once they're open, you're gonna have some fun. It's gonna feel so good to be so organized. $22.99, 3 easy payments of $7.66 to bring home the large and medium bin and the 2 baskets, all in your choice of these fantastic, beautiful colors and patterns. Hurry on that gray. It is very popular right now. From Periea, the 4 assorted size bins and basket set, item V59975. All right, well, just a moment ago, we were talking